Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SENNHEISER Momentum TWS 4 and I'm going to show you how to make a hard reset. At first go into your app and then go into settings. Here you have to scroll idle down so that you can see factory reset. You have to click on it and click OK. Now you have to wait a moment. It can take up to 20 seconds. Do not place your headphones when your buds are lighting red, blue and green. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.